Wellness Waves, a podcast by Fortis Healthcare to discuss health and wellness-related topics with nationally renowned experts from Fortis. Join us on this enlightening journey and ride the waves of wellness.
This anterior approach, is this very popular in the world?
This approach is gaining popularity all over the world. For example, this direct anterior hip replacement was actually done from many years only in very limited centers, but it wasn't done very commonly all over the world for the reason that it required special training, more skill, specialized instrumentation, and also special operation theater equipments. And hence, this wasn't popular for many years. However, to our own surprise, in the last 2 or 3 decades, this direct anterior approach has become very popular in most of the countries. For example, in American Hip and Knee Society, there was a survey done few years ago which showed more than 50 or 60% of surgeons have already changed from their traditional approach to do a direct anterior approach. And hence, probably in the last 1 decade, the one surgical technique for the hip which is gaining most popularity compared to any other technique is probably direct anterior approach. That should tell you that how good this approach may be, and there must be a lot of reason why this anterior approach is becoming more and more popular exponentially all over the world.
For now.